This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's get into it. We have a bull flag. And what is that contradicted by? One of the most bearish features that we could find. Pay attention, hit the like button if you trade Bitcoin, if you appreciate these updates. Shout out to the VIP descending triangle. So yes, we have the most bullish of features, the specific bull flag. Then we have also the most bearish of features, the specific descending triangle. Now, I'm going to talk about the strategy you can use to trade these two patterns. Now, first of all, I want to go through the day's events very quickly. I let the VIP know in the back. This is just solid, guys. I let him know on the pump to the upside. Boom, you had a 2-to-1. Odds of completing the pattern to the upside are 2-to-1. Boom, and then what happened, guys? We flew through, boom, the roof. Nicely done. And look at the returns. The green on the screen. Way to go. And I will remind you, rather, don't try and emulate the specific returns unless you can, guys, unless you have that skill set together. Now, in terms of the pattern formation, we have the bull flag. Could we move to the upside? Absolutely. I'm going to talk about the strategy for you to use looking at this move. It's rare. 13%, 3,000. That's very conservative. That's a conservative measurement using the flagpole of this preceding move here. An additional $3,000 onto the price action. Let's talk about this awful. I'm just going to say, it's in terms of not having confirmation from the bulls to the bears. We're in the battle right now, guys. We're in the battle. It couldn't be any more intense. Now, in terms of the 1 hourly, you'll see also on this 1 hourly, we have a perfect throwback. This is a throwback, okay? When I say the odds were 2-to-1 of completing essentially an accompanying pattern to a throwback feature, yeah, you're looking at over 50% of the time a descending triangle will want to go back to prior support to establish resistance. So shorts are engaging at this level. As we look at the preceding zone, please pay attention. Crucially important. Crucially important. The preceding zone, we had a descending triangulation here as well. Okay, what do? We threw back into the pattern after the breakout. Then we capitulated beyond. Make sure that you are on a big screen TV. I mean that. Go to your big screen TV. Make sure you can see these technicals. All the VIP have big screen TVs, guys. Way to go. In terms of this, and look at that 20 moving averages. The key feature here. Once we capitulated out of the descending triangle in the preceding zone, we flew underneath that crucial, I have it in pink, that 20 moving average. Bollinger Band, you understand what it is. On the Bollinger Band, 95% of the price action, and it's actually about 92, but 95% of the price action will fall between the two established bands. Now, let's talk about how that's going to help you deal with this specific trade. Very, very important. Now, first of all, let's also talk about the pickup. I got the low in the market. I'm going to tell you today I got the low in the market. How did I do that? Well, and VIP know we've been through this already. If you guys want live price action, if you want live strategy, get in the back with the top trade team. I took this specific boom. Let's talk about what played out the best, guys, in terms of your pickups for the future. Put this in your toolkit. Looking at this level of resistance, level of support, carry down function. Now, it's also a calculated value. It's a little complicated, but in terms of the strategy here, take that top level resistance, bring that down. It's underneath your trend line. It's underneath your specific trend line feature, and go ahead and just draw it down from the top two pivots. Boom. And bring this down to the first pivot here. Bam. You'll see boom. Now, I do have a pickup from this specific exact line here. So it's a calculated and a technically patterned event. I'm going to say calculated and technically patterned event out of fairness for the VIP. Right? Okay, I'd say that. I'd say that's definitely accurate. So how are we going to trade this? The bottom line, how are we going to trade this? I'm going to tell you the following. When we're in a crux like this, we're going to be looking at the Bollinger Band. We have noted two zones of price operation. I want to shout out to everybody. Hope you're having a good weekend. Join up with VIP, guys. Don't wait. These are slow videos, I guarantee you, compared to the action in the back. Now, in terms of the two zones, one is up and over the 20 moving average. Up and over the 20 moving average. You see that pink line, up and over the 20 moving average. Then the second zone is underneath the 20 moving average. Underneath the 20 moving average. You'll see that pink line. Price goes underneath. That pink line, price goes underneath. That's the second zone. That pink line, price goes underneath. You see, so what's going to need to occur here is the following. As we look at the potential for a bull flag, Okay, and yes, things could not be more contradictory right now between a bull flag and the most bearish pattern, the descending triangle. Period. Doesn't get any more bearish than that, guys. Maybe a bear flag, but looking at the conflict, it's real. Okay, so to the extent that we're looking for the proper strategy to use, I'm going to tell you, look at the last 30 days of price action. Price is either operated in zone 1 up above the 20 moving average. Okay, once that moving average is flipped, for the most part, guys, very consistently, you're going to be operating on the upper threshold or the lower threshold between the band and the average, between the band on the top side and the average, right? Between the band on the bottom side and the average. And by that I mean the moving average, that 20 moving average, okay, which is in pink. So in order for us to currently see and to trade this accurately, I want you to focus on that 20 moving average. If we flip the 20 moving average, bull flag is in play, period. If we do not flip the 20 moving average, period, guys, on the 4-hourly, make sure you understand on the 4-hourly, then we are in trouble. Okay, we're in trouble to the downside. Shorts are going to get paid. If we cannot flip the 20 moving average on the Bollinger Band and we continue to operate in that second zone, zone 1 is up above moving average between the band and the moving average. You see that? Let's just call that zone 1 again. Up above that moving average between the band and the average. You see that? That's the zone 1. Zone 2 is below that moving average. So we're in zone 2. We're in bear territory. I wanted to bring you this video and give you a bit of a strategy so that you could use this strategy in your trading. I want to invite you to join VIP. Top level of membership. Make sure that you join from YouTube. Also, you can hit this link on Twitter. This is London, former hedge fund owner, non-SEC and private, and not financial advice. Once you join, make sure that you hit the first pinned tweet and put I am VIP. Boom. Really excited that yesterday I brought you the descending triangulation in the video. Shout out. Way to go, guys. It is the weekend. We're excited. Make sure that you hit that first pinned tweet. Let me know I am VIP. I will put you in the back in the winner's circle. And guys, just personally curated, I'd say, essentially charts in the back. This is where the action is. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Watch that 20 on the 4-hourly. We'll talk to you soon. Guys, VIP or trading? If you're not with VIP, guys, you really trading? I don't know. Let's watch, guys. We ran into that 200 weekly moving average as well. Let's go. Let's go. Bulls, if you're going to show it, it's time. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.